Hi! In front of me is Oppo A1 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Apple Layout. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in iOS Launcher and download this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, select while using and allow in all pop-ups. So while using the app, allow. Then you can finally close your Launcher app and go into Devices settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access Apps section. Click on Default Apps and tap on Home App. Lastly, just click on iOS Launcher in order to apply it. Select OK and got it. So when I click, as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, just access exactly the same settings and tap on System Launcher or iOS 1. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!